almost throughout last year, I've been sharing this particular update that has been helping me to be growing my USDT from zero account, this particular wallet, from zero account to more than $1,000. Because just as you can see in this particular wallet, I've been earning some amount on different type of amount of USDT from this particular wallet, and there was a time I withdrew $1,295 from it, and I used it to run something on my own. This is to show you that this particular update have paid me close to $1,500. So in today's video, I'm going to lead you guys in this particular update on how to do it and what I've been doing to be earning all these things. So if this kind of content amazes you, try your best to watch this video to end and take notice of whatever I'm doing here, and then take your action. But before we continue, if this is your first time coming over to my channel, welcome to ZBK Crypto and welcome to my channel where I drop updates on USDT update like this and then new cryptocurrency airdrop. So if this kind of content amazes you, also try your best to subscribe to this channel like this, and then make sure you turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop update like this or update like this particular one. And then try your best to drop a like. This is going to give you the signal that this particular video is giving out content and giving out value to people. And then last but not least, tell me whatever you think in the comment section. And with this, let's dive into the main video of the day. Just like I said, the update I'm talking about is none other one but shaobank. Shaobank is one of the best things that happened to me in 2023 throughout all my tribulations and how all the things I passed through while trying to make money online. Shaobank was there for me because they keep on giving me a good amount of revenue and backing me out with USDT, which I'm actually using to do things both online and offline. They actually funded my trading account because I'm taking it serious. So today's video, I'm going to lead you guys through on what actually you need to be doing on this particular project for you to actually be earning. So as you can see on my account, I'm currently having 103.88 Hong Kong dollars here, which is currently worth 13.32 USDT, and if you check it in euros, it's actually worth 12.28 euros. So this is my account balance, and this is what I'm actually going to do a live withdrawal today. I've showed you guys my previous withdrawal, and today now I'm going to do a live withdrawal and for you guys to see it. So what is shaobank? Shaobank is a new banking system, that is an online banking system which they have also integrated cryptocurrency into it. So they actually deal with a lot of things, but the one we're actually going to make money from, and the one I'm making money from, the one I'm going to show you guys, is Bond. So if you go over to this particular place that says Bond, you will see it. It's going to bring out the bond section for you. So they have series 6 series of bond here, the one of AA1, AA1, AA2 to AA6. So this particular first one is going to be giving you 0.45% of your actual amount, the actual amount of whatever how much you use to buy your bond for 10 good years. And every week they are going to deposit the money to your account, which you can withdraw as soon as you reach the minimum withdrawal, which is actually 50 Hong Kong dollars. So for you to know how much it's going to actually cost you, change this particular balance of Hong Kong dollar to TLC20. So it's going to show you the exact amount. Minimum buying is 10 bonds. So for example, this particular one is actually going to cost you 51.28 USDT, and I think this is the minimum amount of it. So you can check out the other bonds, which I know what actually they are going to cost you. So this particular one is going to cost you 256.4 USDT, giving you 0.55% of whatever you actually invested, how many bonds that you actually buy every single day. So this particular one, minimum buying is 10 bonds. So from 10 bonds up, you can actually be buying 12 or 11 or any amount again, which is going to, or how many amounts of bond you want to buy is going to reflect the amount of the bonds for you. So you can check out the other bonds, and the bigger the bonds, the bigger the money of the bonds, the bigger your income. So for me, I'm actually using their previous bonds, and as you can see, I'm actually running with 3 bonds over here. So 3 bonds have been running for me, and this particular one have already given me 365 bond extra from the actual amount that I used to purchase it. So this is how it works. So for me, I'm running with 3 bonds, and that is the reason why I actually have this particular amount I'm earning every single week from the system. So for you to buy the bond, all you have to do is to select the bond you want to buy, minimum of 10 bond. So once you select it, the next thing you have to do is to click on this particular place that says buy bond over here, this particular blue section that says buy bond. So once you click on it, it's going to take you over to where you get a USDT wallet address. And once you get the USDT wallet address, deposit the exact amount of USDT or the cryptocurrency you select. You can use any cryptocurrency of your choice which is listed in this particular platform. So once you select it, deposit with the cryptocurrency of your choice with the exact amount in dollars. So once you deposit the exact amount, automatically the bond is going to be purchased for you automatically, and you see it every single day. It's going to be yielding income for you, and every single week they're going to pack the income and put it to your main account, and which is going to reflect on your account just like mine is reflecting. So if you go over to my account now, you see that I'm currently having this 103.88 Hong Kong dollars. So how do you actually withdraw? So for you to withdraw, once you have up to minimum of 50 Hong Kong dollar, go over to this your withdrawal tab and make sure you copy this your CVC code from here, copy it out, and then head over to your account. So for me, I'm having 103.88 Hong Kong dollar, which I'm going to edit here now, and then enter it 103.88 because I usually want to withdraw all my funds for now. So the next step is to click on this particular place and then enter your CVC code, which you got from the back of your visual debit card, which they gave to you immediately you do your KYC. So next thing I will do is to click on withdraw. So as you can see, I place the withdrawal, and once the withdrawal land, I'm going to show it to you guys in this video. So other ways of earning in this particular platform is by inviting your friends, which you can easily copy your link over here and then invite your friends. They are going to get 99 Hong Kong 99 BT balance, which you can use on your marketplace once you have up to 1,000 token. I've shown it on my other videos, but today I just need three pieces of token for me to actually have 1,000 token, and I'm actually not going to use it on this video. So once the withdrawal done, I'm going to show it to you guys now. So right on that day, the deposit of 13.31 USDT is now successful on my account, as you can see. So I had a little issue, that's why I didn't finish the video 2 days ago. So I have not posted any video since then. I'm having a little issue with my throat, but that's okay. I'm kind of getting better now. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from this video. Try your best to start up early to make money online this year. If I show you guys the thing I've achieved using my phone to make money online, you guys will be amazed in it. So I hope you guys got value from it once again, and I hope you guys are going to take action. See you guys on my next video. Remember, invest what you can afford to lose. Don't overdo things on your own. Invest what you can afford to lose and be consistent in trying to make money online. Try your best to try out the airdrops you are doing, and try your best to be active on the online space. My name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.